Hello, guys, and finally the time has arrived. So, I'm here in the queue at gate number 39 in the Bangalore airport, and I am ready to board Emirates EK565 to Dubai. And you can see the estimated time of departure is 10:35, and now it's 10 past 10. So this is the business class of Emirates Boeing 777-300ER. But I haven't booked the business class. I am traveling in economy class. So the maximum seating capacity of this Boeing 777-300ER is 396 passengers. And so there's my seat 34A. I have taken a window seat to have a breathtaking view from the window. So they have kept a blanket and then a pair of headphones to enjoy the in-flight music. And since the boarding has completed and the pushback has been started, so the Emirates Boeing 777-300ER is ready for takeoff very soon. And as you can see, this Boeing 777-300ER is a huge aircraft. It has a length of 73.9 meters and a wingspan of 64.8 meters. And yes, it can fly up to 13,649 kilometers, but the aerial distance from Bangalore to Dubai is somewhat approximately 2,700 kilometers, which will be covered in around 4 hours. So cloudy skies, little bit of rain, so I think there will be some turbulence during the flight. So we are waiting here to approach the final runway. I think we are waiting for some clearance because some flight will be going to land. Let's see. And yes, you can see the AirAsia flight landing, and so now we are given the clearance to approach the final runway. And so the engine is in full throttle and the aircraft is picking up speed, and yes, here we take off. And wow, you can see the city of Bengaluru from above the skies. It's looking so amazing from above. Lot of clouds, somewhat rain, and yes, the aircraft is piercing through the clouds and some turbulence as well. And here's the in-flight information dashboard. You can see the speed of the aircraft is 573 miles per hour and it's cruising at an altitude of 36,000 feet, and the temperature is minus 41 degrees Celsius outside, and it has covered a distance of 929 miles. And also you can see the map over here. It is clearly showing the direction of the flight, how it is flying over the Arabian Sea and crossing the Gulf, and it's heading towards Dubai. And now finally time to have some food inside the aircraft. So I have taken a veg meal, so some delicious pasta over here, and then beside that they have given some sweet dish. It looks so yummy. And then water packet, that's pretty cool. Then some roasted cashew nuts, butter, then some pickles, the bun over here, and then some hot pulao with paneer gravy. It looks delicious. And so after having a delicious lunch, now I'm just peeping through the windows and you can see we are flying over the Gulf countries, and it looks so amazing from the aircraft. And so after flying for nearly 3.5 hours, we have entered into the land of Emirates. So here we are flying above United Arab Emirates, and you can see desert and desert everywhere as we are approaching to land in Dubai. So one good thing which I liked is in the aircraft itself, in the information dashboard, you get the information about your baggage, from which belt you have to collect. And so after traveling more than 2,500 kilometers over a flying time of nearly 4 hours, we are approaching Dubai International Airport. And since this is an Emirates aircraft, so Emirates has a separate terminal for their aircrafts specifically. I mean, in the Emirates terminal, only Emirates aircrafts will land and take off, and for the other airlines, Dubai has a different terminal for landing and taking off the different aircrafts. And you can see the city of Dubai from the aircraft. Wow, I mean, I'm just mesmerized of this amazing view from the aircraft. Dubai looks so amazing from above, and we are finally going to land into the Dubai International Airport. And so here we land at the Emirates terminal of the Dubai International Airport. And so now finally we have landed in Dubai, and now I am heading out of the aircraft. And yes, let me tell you, I won't be able to show you any videos and photos of the terminal, inside the terminal, because photography is strictly prohibited in Dubai International Airport. And guys, that's the largest aircraft in the world, Airbus A380, and that is parked here in the Emirates terminal. So the next part of my Dubai vlog is coming out very soon, so do stay tuned to my channel and do not forget to subscribe if you are watching this for the first time.